Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your business Google account and opening Drive. This ensures responses route to company systems. Once done, create a new Google form and pick a template or blank form. Templates save time for common business uses. Make sure to set a clear title, concise description, and upload your logo so recipients trust the form. Then open Settings and turn on Collect email addresses. Limit to one response if needed, and response receipts so you track submitters. Next, you construct the form body. Add questions using the right types for the data you need, like short answer for names, multiple choice for decisions, and file upload for documents. Once done, mark essential questions required and split the form into sections to keep users focused. Use conditional logic. Go to section based on answer to branch flows for different respondents. This reduces confusion and increases completion rates. Also apply response validation and helper text so answers are formatted correctly and reliable. To finish, preview the entire form and complete end-to-end tests. Submit through every branch, upload sample files, and confirm notifications arrive. Once satisfied, use Send to distribute via link, email, or embed on your site. Make sure to restrict to your domain if you only want staff responses. After launch, monitor the Responses tab and connect to Sheets for analysis. If something breaks, forms not accepting files or logic failing, check question types and section ID, then retest, often reordering a section.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.